How to make this double exposure using Canva. Go to Canva, choose Instagram post. Go to Upload and import the images you uploaded and resize them fit the page. Go to Apps. Type image. And let's use this app. Tap on the image and click Blend selected image. And change the of these points and try to blend just the body. Decrease the strength and click Save. Go to Uploads and use the same image again. Go to Apps and use the same app. Tap on the image and click Blend selected image. And let's try to blend the other direction. Increase the strength, click Save. Download this page as a PNG. Add a new page. Go to Upload and upload the image you downloaded and then import it. Go to BG Remover. Go to Adjust and click Auto Adjust. And yes, you did it that easily. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.